So this is the back side of a 330 power line injection molding machine made by Milacron. And so what we're trying to do is we have all these hoses right here. These hoses go to molds, and I'll show you that a little bit. And these two happen to be hydraulic hoses we just run over the edge. Well, these hoses are a big mess, and we'd like to put a manifold system on them. So this particular mold in here happens to be a shovel handle. It's kind of hard to make out because the lighting's not the greatest. But it's time consuming to put all these hoses on, and you got to put them in the right order. So we would want to just mount like a big manifold on there and then make 4 connections, 2 on this side and 2 over here on this side. So long story made short, we'd like to go ahead and run a track right along the existing track here. Now this is the bottom view, and right here we want to extend this platform out so that'll give the track something to ride on. So let's go up top and I'll show you the top view of this so it can make a little more sense. So the track ends here. The distance between here and here is 4.5 inches, and what we want to do is we want to make I'm thinking about putting a spacer block up here so the bottom of the track is at this level, which is above this track, and then the water can go ahead and just work its way off there. And then just give you an overall bird's eye view, you can see how it runs. So once again, right in here is where we're going to run that steel plate addition to compensate for this track going back and forth. So what you're seeing now is the toggles, and so when these knees lock out, it builds tonnage, but as those knees come out, this clamp comes forward. And so this clamp comes forward at 33 inches a second, and it travels 29 inches total. So the idea is that the water will come out here and go to the other side where we can make 2 connections, and then we'd reroute the water from the top over here, over there, and then right in this area here, which is sort of hard to see, there'd be 2 major 1.5-inch connections outside diameter, which we could make 2 connections to hook up to the mold there. So that's basically the whole concept right there in a nutshell. And we just want to run the new tracking right along the existing tracking. And that's what we're trying to do. Thanks.